Hello, I'm Alexander Fernandez.
I'm Deja Molito.
I'm Jacob Hernandez. Today we are performing the Fairchild Challenge 1, Be the Change.
Bees are everywhere. Being a large group of thousands of species, bees do so many things for us, yet they are threatened every day. We're destroying their habitats and introducing chemicals and pesticides into their areas. Bees do not deserve to be treated like this, as some of the most important animals in the global ecosystem.
While most bees are solitary, some live in hives where a queen resides with her workers and drones to gather nectar to eat. Bees in hives resemble a hierarchical society with workers and drones working together to benefit the queen. Some solitary bees even make bread, providing they are some of the most cunning insects. The honeybee is the only insect that produces honey while all pollinate. Like all insects, a bee's body is divided into 3 parts: a head with 2 antennae, a thorax with 6 legs, and an abdomen. All bees have branched hairs somewhere on their bodies and 2 pairs of wings. Only female bees have stingers, which are modified ovipositors, organs originally used to lay eggs. While bees being intelligent and sociable is remarkably interesting, people may ask about the benefits of bees because some think of them as pests. Bees are not pests. They stick to their own pollinated flowers and rarely sting unless threatened, as when they sting, they die. They do not even sting wasps. They rub their bodies and heat them to death. Bees are beneficial by not only keeping wasps in check, but also pollinating. Pollination is particularly important as it spreads pollen from flower to flower, not only helping them reproduce, but also gene variety in the population. Honeybees specifically make honey from the nectar they gather for food by keeping it what is known as honey stomach. Honey is not the only byproduct of bees, as they also generate beeswax, pollen, propolis, royal jelly, and bee bread, all of which can be used in medicine and food. They can also predict storms. These amazing insects use Earth's magnetic field to navigate, but these electromagnetic waves also warn bees of an oncoming thunderstorm. So the next time you notice no bees buzzing around and no hovering around the flower beds, grab your umbrella.
Unfortunately, large companies are deforesting areas, stripping bees of their habitat. Mites have also spread from human interaction, which will negatively affect the health of bees and other organisms. This has influenced bee populations over the span of April 1st, 2021 to April 1st, 2022. The number of bee colonies in the U.S. dropped by 39%. Without bees, a major pollinator, many plants would die off. Thus, we would starve, as 1 out of 3 meals are made possible by bees. All of this is due to a phenomenon called colony collapse disorder, also known as CCD. CCD's causes are currently unknown, however, some theorized causes include an increase in pesticides such as neonicotinoids and a variety of parasites and viruses that are deadly to bees.
We as humans should strive to aid bees in their environment and protect them. Ways we can support bees are to limit pesticides, penalize deforestation, and plant more flowers for bees to pollinate. Bees are not only necessary for our food, but for many other uses, such as medicine. Bees are responsible for pollinating $15 billion worth of just U.S. crops and 200 million pounds of UK crops. This makes your contribution to their agricultural economy, and thus the global economy, incredibly significant. Bees are essential for humanity to prosper, and we should treat them like so by respecting them and their habitats.
The end.